what is happiness and where you can find it. I feel that happiness to me is something that comes from within. It's only our actions or reactions which makes us happy or unhappy. Most of the time we try to control the things or the people or the world around us in a hope to attain a state of happiness. But it often makes me wonder how temporary and limited this influence is. It's only our consciousness, or you can say the present of now, that can interpret these surroundings into the feelings. That feelings is happening in our body and mind. If the feelings are pleasant, what we called is happiness. But when that feeling is unpleasant, we called it unhappiness. But one thing is very common in both happiness and unhappiness, that feeling is taking place within us, within our body and mind. So if you can control these feelings, you can achieve more happiness in your life. This consciousness state of mind is called as equanimous mind or having an even mind. It's a state of psychological stability which is undisturbed by experience of emotions, pain, or other phenomena that may cause others to lose the balance of their mind. I found nature is the only place which induces state of equanimity within me. So I found more happiness on the mountains.
Wow. Sandar.